In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on a PC or laptop with Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, I'm pretty sure you have seen a whole lot of videos here on YouTube about how you can take screenshots here on your PC, but not really all of them show you really what you want or what you need to know. So in this video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on your PC or laptop with Windows. So what you need to do, you need to come on here, this search button, right, or this search bar, click on it, you type in sniping tool. So this sniping tool helps you to take screenshots on your PC, on your laptop. It also helps you to take screen record on your PC or laptop. So what you need to do, you can see from this option, you can see this is the screen record option, right? Then this is the screenshot option. So you can switch this to this, or you can switch this to this. So it's pretty easy. What you need to do, you would click on this one, right? Once I've clicked on it, click on this new button. Once I've clicked on it, you'll be given a cursor, right? A cursor, you can adjust it to whatever length you want. Let's say I want to take a screenshot of just these icons. I'll adjust it till this size I want, right? Once I'm done, I'll leave it, right? Once I leave it, you'd see this is okay. Let me make this to be large. You can see this is it. I just took a screenshot of this side of my PC. So it's pretty easy to take a screenshot on your PC or laptop with Windows. So just follow this step again. Click on this sniping tool. Once I've clicked on it, okay, let's say I'll come on here. Sniping tool. So I'm doing this again for the sake of those that don't really understand or understood what I just did. So you click on this new. Once I've clicked on this new, you would adjust it till the size you want. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this rectangular shape. You can make it to be this bold, you can make it to be this as well, just any size you want. So yeah, once I leave it now, you see that I just screenshotted this side of my PC. So I just took a screenshot of this side of my PC. So it's pretty easy to achieve this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.